The Nutella here from 579 to 519. 299 from 349. Ito yung buy one, take one, which is 329. Sobrang daming ano ngayon, sale. Like for this one, from 19,995, 17,995 na lang. Buy one, take one, itong kitchen locks.
I don't wanna call you later. You're tearing my heart up like it's paper, and somehow you turn to a stranger. We used to work, now I'm trying to make sure that...
Hi guys! Welcome back to another vlog. So today, andito tayo ngayon sa SNR and we are about to vlog again after 5 or 6 months yata na hindi ako nakapag-vlog. So welcome back. As you can see, we are in SNR and I'm about to show you what's on sale, anong mga bago dito. So please, to those who are new here, my name is Hazel and I am doing vlogs for SNR. I'm gonna show you what's new at kung ano ang sale. So please, if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell below so get notified kung meron tayong bagong upload. So catch you later! Unahin natin tong mga washing machine. Ito yung mga front load nila, which is 17 kilogram from American Home. Ganito yung gamit namin, guys. Ano na to, for ilang years na namin nagamit yan. Like 6 years na and isang beses lang nasira pero okay naman, madali lang naman siyang hanapan ng mga parts. So ayan guys, from 17,995, 14,995 na lang. And then this one is, iba yung electronics niya. Ito, yan ang difference. Nakikita mo meron siyang display. Yan yung difference nila. So, yung isa 15, itong isa naman 18.5. And then they have the LG which is 11 kg. And pag dryer, 6 kg siya. Ayan yung price niya. Ito naman yung top load. They have LG, American Home, and Whirlpool. Ayan ang mga prices. Ito yung mga aircon nila. American Home, 1 HP. And then they also have 1.5. Yan. American Home din yan. And then this one, Fuji Denso. From 25, 18 na lang. And this one from 28. Nira-round off ko na ha for the information of everybody. And yung portable indoor, which is from Tyler. Sobrang daming ano ngayon, sale. Like for this one, from 19,995, 17,995 na lang siya. It's from Bowman. Ganitong brand yung aking oven. And okay ang kanyang serbisyo, kumbaga. It's a nice brand. Yan. Okay, sa mga interested ng mga coffee maker, yan. Ito yung mga available here. Of course, Breville. Pang barista talaga yan. Ayan po siya. Which is double yung kanyang espresso. Ito merong breakfast set. May kasama na siyang oven toaster. Which is, kano ba yan? 1,495. Ito guys, 1,495 lang siya. And this one is 2,595. Dati siyang 4,500. Citrus juicer. Slow juicer. Buy one, take one itong Kitchen Lux 1.5 liter na glass blender. Okay ang glass blender guys kasi pag nag-overheat hindi mo maaamoy yung plastic niya. So glass blender is very important kung kayo ay mahilig ng mga blended drinks. Maganda yung glass. Okay, the NutriBullet here Pro Blender is 5,495. Dati siyang 6,995. Mayroong KitchenAid here from 28,995. Makaka-save ka dahil may bawas na 1.2 which is 27,795. It is 4.3 liters. Ito naman yung kanilang Bowman foldable food warmer with infrared. So para siyang induction, ganun. So dati siyang 4,995 or 4,495. Yan, 3,000 na lang. Guys, maganda to, oh, food warming mat. Yan. This is new here. So from 2,495, 1,500 na lang siya. Ngayong mga ano guys, sobrang init dito sa Pilipinas. This is very, very essential. Lalo na sa mga mahihilig ng mga ice cream, yung mga malalamig. 3,495. Itong shaved ice maker na to. Yan siya guys. And then yung nugget ice maker nila, 22,995. And then meron din silang ice shaver na mas malaki which is from 7,995, 14,995 na lang siya. This is a buy one take one, 1,195. It's a 1.8 liter. Ito. They have 10 liter deep fryer which is dati siyang ito para makita nyo na talaga yung eksakto. Guys, oh mura tong ano na to, Philips 65-inch QLED from 58,995, 48,995 na lang. And then the Samsung which is 65 inches from 59,999, 37,999 na lang. Ayan, pakita. Oh my God, guys. Ito yung mga buy one take one nila. Yung Kitchen Lux na 5 cups rice cooker, 1,495. And then, yung tower fan, 33-inch, buy one take one din, 2,395. Ito yan. Yan siya, guys. Itong water dispenser, hot and cold, ay 6,995 dati. Ngayon, 5,995 na lang. Ito yan. Guys, this is a buy one take one turbo stand fan, 18-inch, 3,195. Ito naman ay stand fan, 18-inch, 3,195 din. Tapos, meron din ditong turbo broiler, 7 liter siya, 2,2 or 2,995, 3,000. Ayan o. Focus na. Zoom in. This is electric griller, sorry, 17-inch. It's a 2,995 buy one take one. Ganda niyan guys. Meron din palang 20-inch na turbo. Green ang color. 3,095 lang siya. So, ito guys, 2,995 buy one take one. And then ito, buy one take one, 3,995. 3,095. Also, they have the 30-liter cooking assistant. Ang ganda naman nito. But this is nice. It's a microwave digital. 8,795 ang high-tech niya. Ayan yung details. Black ang brand, 30-liter electric oven, 2,495. Double burner na gas stove, guys. 1995, buy one take one. 1995. Ito namang air fryer, digital siya, may less na 200. Yan yung details. So, ito yan. It's 2795. Guys, ang cute naman nitong ano na to, very in time kasi tumbler siya, stainless steel. Ayan. A TiVo. It's buy one take one, 899 kasi may blue pa siya. Ayan o. Buy one take one, 899. Another buy one take one, 499. Ito guys. 6 pieces salad plate. Guys, so smart TV, 32 inches, 15,995. Buy one, take one. Ay nako, ang ganda nito. Itong lifetime fold in half, table 6 feet. Buy one, take one. Yan yung details. And then, ito din, 6 feet, pareho lang yan. It's buy one, take one. Folding chair, buy one take one, 1799. 1799. And then ito 1,000 from 1,599, 1,000 na lang siya. This one. Yan yung itsura. And then ito 2,000 isa. Ito naman buy one take one din ito guys. It's 599. So 300 each. And then yung rice cooker na yan, it's a buy one take one. Guys, dito tayo sa mga refrigerator. Ayan yung Whirlpool. 21 cubic feet. From 66,998, 53 na lang siya. Yan. And then, ito naman, oh, grabe. Guys, tinan nyo, ang LG na yan. May bawas siya ng 43,400. Ayan, oh, may water Kinemberlu pa siya. Grabe, ang laki ng mga bawas nila. And then, ito naman, yung LG na yan. Tignan nyo, guys. Yan yung details niya, ha? Kayo na lang bahalang mag-zoom. Then, ito yan. May bawas na yan na 11,000. Then, ito naman, si American Home, from 42,39 na lang. Pati si, Fuji Denso, mas mura dito, compare sa, tayo, sa SM. Mas mura dito, guys. Tingnan mo, may bawas siya. Yan yung details. Ito yan. And then, ito naman na ref. Fuji Denso din. 12 cubic feet. Okay, I'm gonna zoom the details para makita ninyo. There you go. And meron silang 3 to 6 months, 0 interest. And this one from LG, 2-door. Laki nito. Ayan. And the details, ayan. And ito, from 29,950, it's 26,950. May less siya na 3,000. So guys, sa mga interested naman ng chiller inverters, of course, 11 cubic feet, from 29,500, 25,900. May bawas siyang 3,600. Ayan. Kung sino may gusto ng mga freezer, ito. Chest freezer. Yan yung mga details. Cute itong water dispenser na to. 2-in-1. Pwede mo siyang ipatong lang. Yan. 13,995. from 18 to 14. Nira-round off ko na ha, kasi ang hirap niyang bigkasin. Okay, eto naman black na brand. And then, eto din Tyler. Buy one, take one na steam iron. 1.5. Steamer. 4,495. Vacuum na Dyson from 28,000 or 27,995. May less siyang 3,000, so 24,995 na lang. It's 25. Then ito yung handheld, which is 3,395. Cute ito, Dustmites vacuum cleaner with UV na siya. Yan. Kalain mo yun from 6,495, 2,000 na lang. 2,000 na lang. Ito pang kotse or pwede rin sa bahay. Handheld vacuum. Buy one, take one. They also have air purifier. Ganda tong electric fan na to. From 3,495, 2,995. Ganda ang Vornado na brand, guys. This is 2,995. And this one from 3,495 to 8,995. And guys, this is a buy one take one, 1,395. Guys, oh, mga buy one take one ito. Yan. Paki-zoom in na lang. Yung mga designs. Ganda nitong Calphalon. From 2K17. Guys, oh, rice cooker nila. Or pressure cooker here. Yan, ang brand. Tramontina. Oh, ang cute naman nito. Kettle na yan. Very aesthetic. From 1.5, 1.2 siya. 1.5 naging 1.2. And then ito guys, I buy one, take one. Ito, natatanggal to. Guys, ito is 499, like 5,000. And then, ito guys, oh, it's a good deal. It's a buy one, take one, 3.5. Buy one, take one, 3.5. Also, itong made to cook professional 3-piece non-stick starter set. This is a buy one take one as well, 5-layer storage shelves. And then, ayan. Guys, ang ganda nitong ano na to, oh, pang cafe latte and americano. 8 pieces na siya from 2K15 na lang. And then they also have a espresso mug. Nasaan yun? Eto. Bakit nakaganon? But anyway, yeah, it's 1.2. And ito yung mararecommend ko. Isa sa mga gusto kong water bottle is Healthy Human. Kahit 24 hours, guys, hindi magbabago yung temperature niya. Pero hindi siya naka-sale ngayon. Pero if ever sale siya sa mga, kung nasan kayong lugar na SNR, try this one. Ito, tignan nyo guys, oh. Best water bottle from 2020 to 2024. It's 1,099 yung 21 ounce. Meron silang barbecue and char Kinemberlu. Yan guys, from 6.5, 5K na lang. And that is the details. Grabe, ang daming ano ngayon guys, ang daming promotion dahil siguro pasukan. So, yeah. Ganda nitong griller na to. Look at this. It's 3,499 from 4,500. And this one also from 10K, 7,000 na lang. That one guys, 7,000 na lang. So, mas gusto ko yung kausap ko kayo kaysa yung pinapakita ko. But anyway, ibabalik rin ko rin yung camera. So, magta-try tayo ngayon ng ano dito, mga food. Wait lang, papakita ko pala sa inyo tong ano to, buy one take one na pillow. Ito guys, it's a buy one take one. It's 1,500. Ito guys is 1,300. This one 1,300 premium pillow, pack of 2. So apat na siya, 1,300 pala. Sorry, 1,300. And then ito naman 1,000. Tteokbokki almond. Magkano to, miss?
Buy one take one po siya, ma'am. 329 pesos po. Product from Korea po siya. You want to try, ma'am?
Yes, please. At least buy one take one.
Medyo spicy po siya, ma'am.
Okay, kasi tteokbokki siya, no? Thank you.
Pero coated almond. $600 itong 7 kilograms na nasa sako. Members value. Ang surf nila, laundry liquid is 600 from 650. Si Ariel naman, liquid from 549, 474. 4 liters na Fabcon, 379. Si members value. Car humidifier, 169. Ito yung mga car accessories or yung mga kailangan sa car. Mayroon silang tire inflator, 1,000. Ito, 4,000 ito guys. Lysol from 1249, 1149. 4 packs. And then sa Clorox naman, 1329 kasi marami siya. 5. Domex is 149. One of the best cleaner yan guys. Yan ang favorite ko. Kaya lang meron pa tayo sa bahay. So, yeah. Guys, on sale ngayon from $399, $299 na lang siya. Si Zep dishwashing. Ito yung favorite ko na dishwashing liquid. It's $299. And 4 liters na yan. Pili lang kayo. It's either the green one, the lime, or the lemon. Meron din yung members value pero hindi siya naka-sale. It's 1 gallon. It's $449. Meron yung naka-pouch which is $229. 2.5 liter. Of course, banana chips is $2.59. Yan yung mga presyo. Yung nuts na yan is $2.99. Ito. Then, si Calbee honey butter, $2.29. Salad topper, $229. Ito yung mga ready-made cake mix, brownies, cookies. This is a good brand, guys. Ghirardelli. Yung talaga nire-recommend ko. Lalo na sa brownies. Pero ngayon wala silang available. Yan. Check nyo na yung mga prices nila here. Ito naman, guys, mas mura dito compare sa labas. Ito, like $329 yata yan sa SM. Yan. 69 lang ang kanilang all-purpose cream, while sa SM 72 yata. Then Alaska 70. Yan. Guys, may adlay sila dito and $319 1 kilo. Ito ang replacement ng rice. Ito yung mga available na spices. Nice ito, guys. Lemon pepper. Mas prefer ito na ginagamit ko kaysa itong granulated na yan. Yan, pag prinito mo yan, talsik-talsik yan. Anyway, ito yung mga flakes parsley, black pepper. Yan ang mga ibang ano nila dito, guys. Spices nila. By the way, they have flaxseed here. $199 yan. And then, they also have that goji berry, which is $249. Yan. Sea salt. And then they have also garlic salt, $569. Kosher salt. Meron silang kasugay tempura butter, which is $223. 260, apat na peraso. Bambina nacho chips. Ayan ang mga sparkling water nila. Kombucha here, $369, 4 cans. 99 milk. Orange sauce, $3.99 from Panda Express. Ito na lang pala yung ilalagay mo dun sa chicken na yun para ready. Hindi ka na magtitimpla. Yan na lang ilalagay mo. And then, ito naman yung bulgogi marinade, which is $209. Hickory smoke, $249. $419 ang Perrier. Okay guys, update tayo sa coconut oil. 3 liter, $535. Vegetable oil, 5 liters, $609. Vegetable oil na Wesson ang brand, 4.7 liter, $1105. Ito naman 20 liters, $2380. Guys, meron silang white truffle Orbani ang brand, which is $869. Canola oil from $839, $749, 5 liter na yan. And then $279 itong spray na to, baking spray. So, ito yung kanilang mga olive oil. Focus na lang or pause mga prices.
Ito, mantika sa bahay. Meron na.
Ang laki naman nito, jumbo hot beef. Sabagay, 10 pieces sa loob. 4 minutes nyo lang daw. 1 kilo yan. 4 minutes lang siya lulutuin. It's 289. And then ito din, ang laki ng ramen. Only for mukbang challengers. Ayan. Kimchi. Spicy kimchi. Malaka. And that is 299. From 319, 299 na lang siya. Mac and cheese here is 649. Meron pala ditong ano guys, from 1.5, 1.2 na lang. Paella kit. Meron na siyang ano sa loob, ready to cook. At may free pa kayong ganito, yung container niya. There you go. Ito yon. Ito yan actually guys. Oh. Hindi pala siya free. So, babayaran mo rin. Kasi ito, 409. Pero pag kinuha mo yung mismong ito, 1.2. Ito yung binibili namin kaysa sa Spam. Kasi si Spam 207. Ito 184. Similar lang yung kanyang lasa actually. Pero syempre, iba yung Spam. Mas maalat nga lang yung Spam compared to Prem. So, dati siyang 879. 849 na lang. And then, ang corned beef na Libby's from 299 to 279. Yan. Ito yung corned beef na Prem. 196. And then, si Ranch House corned beef, 172. Okay guys, si Delimundo, which is the chili and garlic, 183. Grabe. Noon magkano lang to? 160, 150 lang, like 2 years ago. May pa-comment. Ang mahal na talaga ng mga bilihin guys. OMG. Ito yung mas maanghang pala kaysa dun sa isa, or the same lang. Basta di ito, 349. Kakanda bulol-bulol na tayo. Stir-fried noodle. Dagdagan mo siya ng ganito guys. Oh, ang sarap. 289. Pero dapat bawas-bawasan natin kumain ng mga junk food. Hindi maganda sa katawan yan. Meron ditong Del Monte fruit cocktail na malaki, 749. And then ang Dole naman ay 409. So tignan nyo naman yung kanyang difference. Kasi ito yata, walang peach. Ito may peach to, and then may cherry. Oh, may cherry din to. Basta, yun. Yun ang difference. And then, ito naman, 184, yung maliit. And then, si peach ay 162. Ito, lychee. Parmesan 244 yung maliit, and then itong mas malaki which is the Kraft na brand 644. So ayan ang mga available na sauce. Sa mga naghahanap ng artichoke, eto guys, 459. May mga olives with pimiento inside. Ito, 329. Capers for your salad. And then pickled red onion. And then, of course, the jalapenos. Meron silang Mountain Dew na blue, which is 59 each bottle. Ito yung mga chips. Cheetos, 389. Si Lay's, 182. Ruffles, which is $5.99. Doritos, I don't know. Wala siya. Price, $1.56 yan. $1.56. There you go. Dito tayo sa mga juice. Uy, meron ng raspberry. This is masarap. Pero walang tatalo sa mga moringa juices. Kasi nga, mas healthy kahit na sugary drink siya. Compared to other juice. Tang is also good. And that one. Ito yung mga presyo guys. Pala. Sa mga viewers ko from abroad. This is the Lipton. Lipton is a favorite. $749. Yan. Guys, ang kanilang honey citron 1 kilo $364. And then itong honey lemon tea $324. Ito guys, masasarap to. $2.99. Sarap yan. And then ito din $144. Ah, they have Hawaiian Punch. Sugar. Yan. Pomegranate. $229. 100% organic. Guys, this is good. Ang ganda pati ng container niya. By the way, ang Four Seasons here, tatluhan ay $298. And then $326 ang mango. They also have here the guava nectar, $254 from $284. And then the mogu $122. 99C coconut juice with nata de coco. Ah, mayroon ng light na pineapple. 6 na lata and $184. Ngayon ko lang nakita yan. Yeah, that is good. So, those are the juices available here. Nasaan yung pororo nila? Kasi yun ang request ng aking bunso. Pero parang wala. This is also good. Buy one, take one. It's a mix and match. $529. Sa mga may UTI dyan, maganda yan guys. And ito, Hello Kitty. Ang cute naman yan. 89 pesos. Ang cute ito. This is a boba milk tea. And then this is good. $49. Sarap yan. Oh, they have that milk tea. Sobrang tapang ng milk tea na yan. My goodness. And then the Starbucks 516, apat na. And then the Snickers, $199. And also, ayan, $79 yung mga Poca na yan. Poca coffee. Ito, original coffee. So these are the junk food or the chips. Sobrang dami nila. So scallop $7.89, ang dami niya na. Ang picnic dito guys, $168. Galbi $229. Potato chips. Oh, this is new. $4.99. This is 89 pesos. And this is $1.99. Then, dito tayo sa nuts na nakasara. Ayan o, merong harang. Ayan, yung mga dried fruits nila. The pistachio, $6.99. And then this one, the roasted and salted is $1 free. Guys, masarap to. Try nyo to. This is $329. And then, Ito yung buy one, take one, which is $3.29. And then this one is what? $449. Balik natin. Yan. And then ito naman na pistachio, salted ulit. 1,000. And then si almonds. And cashew is 600. This is assorted. This is nice. Para makontrol mo lang yung kain. Charis. Ito guys ay 500. Cute. And this is my favorite here. 1549. Diyos ko ang Uric. Good luck. Anyway, ito masarap to. Oh, this is 14. Extra fancy. This is also good. Which is 849 kasi may tsokolate siya. And then that one, 359. 359. And this one is 949. This is good. Guys, this one is 1,200 and this is so good. My peanuts, my M&Ms, my raisins, my almonds, my cashew. So this is 1,200 and this one is from Hoodie Mountain Mix. This is 849. So ito siya guys. This is 1,200 and this is 9 or 849. Cranberry clusters 149. Medyo matamis yan. Yes. But this one is so good. And that one also guys, oh. Ito yan. Ito yung dalawa na yan. Magkaiba ang brand. But this one is better kasi parang mas healthy to. Yan silang dalawa. Oh my God. Kaya lang yan, isang upuan ko lang yan. And then they also have this. $299 from $349. This one also, Reese naman to. It's $299. So same lang sila nung dalawa. And then, meron din pala ditong cheesy chicharon. Or chichacorn, sorry, 244. So, this is my favorite area. Or the favorite section. And, I want to show you guys the prices of Tostitos, 210. And then, yung spinach, 220. Tostitos Chunky Medium Salsa 200 and then this brand is 145.
Changing leaves make that smile that I love to see. Perfect advice when something's wrong.
Ayan ang mga sodas. Oh, caffeine free. Ito yung iniinom ng auntie ko. 629. Kasi caffeine free siya. And then this is the vanilla, a little bit sweeter. Double crunch. Anyway, 157 yan. My nori. $207 ang 2 kilo na sugar, and then the brown is $175 ang 2 kilo. The honey here, this Kirkland, which is 5 pounds, 159, and this one is 410. Okay, ang kanilang members value or member selection no calorie sweetener 949, 1,000 packets. Outside here is 139. 759 this almond breeze 6-pack, and then Belgian chocolate, that one walnut. I'm looking for a soy. hindi ito yung wala sila. Buy one, 179. Pero pag bumili ka ng dalawa, 268. There you go. Nesquik, which is 45 ounce, 649. And the Swiss Miss, 60 count, 799. KitKat chocolate drink. Yeah, wow. 300. And then the Milo. Ito yung mga tea na available here for throat, balancing the sugar, support the digestion. There. Buy one, take one, this type of tea. And green and oolong tea. Ito, infusion selection. It's a buy one, take one. And then, meron din silang ganun dun sa baba. Ginger lemon drink, 199. Matcha latte, 249. Milk tea, 259. Ayaw na ni Rai lang ganyan. Sobrang tamis din kasi. So, there you go. 358 ito. Guys, ito yung mga presyo ng Coffee Mate. Meron na sila ditong mga ganito. Mga pang ano lang. Single creamer. Yan, 264 each box. Na meron siyang laman na 24. Yan ang kanilang mga teas. 144, 129, 139. So these are the available coffees here. Ito, buy one, take one. Caramel Caramba, Belmi. Ano, hindi pala siya buy one, take one. If you buy one, it's 229. And kung dalawa, 343. Same with this. And then si Dunkin is 1.4. And that is the decaf. Ah, this is Colombia drip. Magkano to? 219, may 7 na coffee, which is good deal. Oh, they have also the Snickers coffee already, which is 649. Ito guys, oh. UCC 959. Ito yung sinasabi kong Pororo, 65 sa SM. So, bilhan ko na si Ryle ng dalawa. Ito yung pinakamasarap na milkshake drink. Zero sugar daw siya. 0% sugar. 1 liter. Or if you buy one, 174. And kung 6, 994. This is the best, guys. Ito yung mga 3-in-1 or ready na to drink. Ayan, white coffee, 339, which is ilang pounds to, ilang sachet, 50. Yan. Ito din. Ayos to. This is nice. 20 na yung laman, 365. So, yun. Ito. Ah, may moringa siya, guys. Choco. This one is new. Hindi ko alam magkano to. 199? No, 199 is that one. Sorry, I cannot give you the price of that. I think this one? No. Basta ito ang alam ko ay 409. Meron din silang pang ano, 1 drink. 6 pieces, 199. Ay, may decaf sila. 599. 599 ito. And this is what? Sorry. Smooth gold blend. Meron ng bagong ganyan, ha? And then, ito naman yung isa. Arla here is 94. Cheaper than outside. Itong pancake na to, or hot cake mix, Tatlo na, 171 lang. And then this Coffee Mate has what? 1 kilo, 269. Ito guys ay 179. Guys, ito dito ay 619. So, andito na yung mga chocolate. 249 yung Tiffany. That's from the UAE. Nakakamiss din. Grabe to. 10 dirhams lang to dati sa amin. Anyway, ito naman ay Meiji 196. Yan, 569. Ito, nice ito. Bago. Bago to na packaging nila. Yan. Kayo na bahala ang mag-zoom in. $349. Itong host. Hawaiian host na yan. This one is new. And the Meiji, which is so good. May bawas siya ng 100. And this one, Macadamia from, the original talaga is 300. Maliit lang kasi siya. So, yun. Yan, guys. Oh, they have Butterfinger fun size, 299. Baby Ruth Mini 309. And then the M&M's here is 1.4 na. Grabe, 1.5 na to. 900 plus lang yan dati. Laki ng inflation. Yan guys. 199 ito. So 229 yung mga yan. Maltesers 224. The dark is 499. They have Milka here, 199. Toblerone 359. This is the Milka guys, 199. Sigana 50. Noir. Oh. So yan guys. Pinakita ko lang sa inyo yung mga chocolate section. I mean, mga chocolates available here. So, ito naman na Milka ay may Oreo. Yan. May Mercy, which is 589. Ganda yan pang regalo. So, these are the candies that they have here. Chips Ahoy 319. They have the Godiva cookies, which is 1,099. This is, wow ha, ang laki nito. 194 na lang. Pero ilang peras. Oh, stevia. Guilt-free. This is good. Ala, hindi na siya mabalik. Yun. So, yan guys, ang Maltesers naka-less from 559, 499 na lang. So, ito, meron silang minis na lockers for 69. And then yan, buy one, take one, 209. Okay, combos, 349. Yan. Oh, meron silang wafer na 349 Oreo. And then, Kinder, 139. Guys, ang sarap nito na snacks. Best one, 174. The Nutella here from 579 to 519, which is 900 gram. 700 gram na speculoos Biscoff is 549, and meron naman siyang dito guys, 319. The Skippy 493, naka-sale siya. Buy one take one pa rin tong ano na to, which is okay naman. Sarap naman yan. Pero eto, compare here, dito ka na. Meron kami nito sa bahay. Medyo hard lang siya. Pero okay naman yung lasa. But this is better. So, of course, eto yung mas masarap. Less guilt. $5.79. So, ayan yung mga presyo ng mga spread. Sandwich spread. Skippy $4.98. May $4.93 yung crunch. Ayan. Hungry Jack na hot cake or pancake. $2.19. Ito yung mga usual na binibili ko dito. Mga frozen. Like this spinach. Wala kasing spinach dito sa Davao na fresh. So, frozen na lang binibili ko. And then also guys, the broccoli. Pareho lang din naman ang nutrients na nakukuha mo from the fresh one. Also guys, ito rin, ginagawa ko rin yan. Avocado. $8.59, 1.3 kilo. Pag may avocado na kami from the house or sa province, pinifreeze ko siya kahit na 6 months. Pwede mo siyang gamitin. Yan. Mixed vegetables, 109. So, ito yung kanilang granola, 559. Mga oatmeal, muesli. Yan guys. 250 yung Heman. That's from the UAE. And then meron din silang Quaker, 200, I don't know, 250 pala. 159 sa Heman. Si Quaker Oats or Quaker ay 250. Guys, ang sarap nito guys. So, these are the available na mga cereals here. Cheerios, $6.79. $8.89 yan. Oh, this is new. Ang cute. $6.59. Ito yung variety packs. And then Cheerios. And then sa Fruit Loops, $709. And then $4.75 si Coco Crunch. They also have here the Wagyu or the Saikoro Frozen 1198. Yung cube guys. And then rib eye steak. Ayan ang presyo. Oh. May turkey sila. 2,459. 5 pounds. May ground turkey sila. This is rich in protein. Mas mataas ang nito, protein content kaysa yung chicken. Mas less ang fat. Buy one take one ang Merlot. $499. And then even this one, Santa Carolina, it's a buy one take one, $499 as well. These are the cheese na available. May caviar sila, $349. Hindi ko nabubuksan. Basta yan. Chicken or popcorn chicken, $699. They also have $709 dito lang na crispy calamari rings. Ready na siya. And then, meron ding shrimp na ginawa ng butterfly. Ready na rin. $929. Parang lang siya, i-oven mo lang ng saglit. Fish sticks, oh, it's what? 2,200. 64 counts. And then 1 kilo naman ito, $489. Yung chicken breast nuggets. Oh guys, meron na sila ditong honey garlic which is $289. Ilang peraso lang yan, pero liit niya, konti, half kilo. ang kanilang mga spreadable butter. Si Kerrygold, hindi kasi makita yung price. 133 itong maliit, I believe. 100 gram. Yeah, 133. So, walang presyo si mas malaki. And then this one is 299. 57 si Baker's Best. Yan ang kanilang presyo. Ah, okay. Ba't walang presyo si Kerry? Ang Angkor dito ay 163. Angkor butter. Panalo sa ano guys, napakaraming mga ready to eat. Ano na lang to, i-oven mo na lang ng saglit. Ayan. Hot Pockets is 259. And then, ayan, chimichanga, 379. And then, meron din silang Philly cheesesteaks, which is 1,200. Hot Pockets na yan ay 259. Yan, 259. And then, itong isa, 269. And then, yan, meron na rin lasagna, pumpkin spice cheesecake. Oh, may CPK, California chicken, pizza chicken, 839. Kasi wala pa kaming CPK dito sa Davao, guys. So, ayan, sa gustong tumikim ng CPK pizza, pwede yan. Oho, $7.99 breast chicken. Yan, ready na rin yan. Ito guys, favorite yan. Beef broccoli and orange chicken from PF Chunks. Meron din silang lechon sisig, 335. Depende sa timbang. Ito yung kanilang mga wraps here. This is a good brand for a Greek yogurt. Yung natural lang, 139. Gusto mo nang may flavor, meron din. Same price. Rich in protein. Yan sila. Chobani. They have the bigger one, which is 589. Tequila, 749. Ito yung mga kaalakan. Absolute. Smirnoff. Jack Daniels. Check natin ha. Jack Daniels 1429. And then buy one take one. Ito. It's buy one take one 500. Moscato, 479. Ang cute nito, oh. Yellowtail, 187 ml. Apat siya sa loob. Black Label, 1,099. Green Label, 2,500. Double black, may free na Smirnoff, 1779. Si Red Label na 3 liters, 2279. Gold Label. Ito na Gold Label. 750 ml, 2049. Si Double Black ay 1389. So, ito naman si Blended Scotch Whiskey, 329. So, yan. So, guys, ito yung mga shampoo here na meron. Yan, buy one, take one si L'Oreal. Ito yung available na shampoos here, mga imported. Meron ding biotin, collagen with peptide. Okay guys, ito yung mga toothpaste na meron sila. Yan, 4 na, 349. And then this one also, 289. 4 na rin siya. And then the Crest, 1219. Yan, 649 naman ito. Yan guys ha, 799 yung isa. 5 yon. Super size. Paano naging 5? Ito, 3. Ah, okay. 5 pala siya. 799. Grabe. From 1.5, 799 na lang. Guys, oh, ito 8 counts or 8 na siya na sabon. Safeguard 464. Cetaphil lotion and the cleanser, same lang yung price. 929. Eucerin, Burt's Bees, Aveeno, Ivory, 399. Ito, Advanced Cleansing Body and Face, 899, si Eucerin. Yan, so you can compare, guys. No. Guys, meron silang lip mask, which is 149. Burt's Bees, ito 6 na siya, 895. Oh, this is nice guys. And this one, Super Balm EOS, 1349. This is nice. Ganda. And then this is Pond's Old Cream. Ito yung mga supplements. This is good. Guys, ito yung mga formula para sa mga bata. And then, yan. Sa mga adult, ito naman. And then the proteins, ayan. Melatonin, there you go.